Okay, what we're doing here is we had to change the compressor. So got the compressor in. I pulled the vacuum the first time and I had a leak. So went up in the attic and found out that the screw to the TXV, not screw, the nut to the TXV was loose, which was creating a vacuum leak. So went ahead and tightened it up, and now I'm just down to pulling another vacuum. We're actually down to 571, so hopefully, you know, it'll come on down past at least about 4 or something. This is a 5-ton Hale, or Hale, however you want to say it, unit, and so we're just kind of finishing up the vacuum. And once we get it completed, it should run pretty good. All right, we'll talk to you later.